little friends. Are you ready for a new adventure? Today we're going to explore the 4 seasons of nature. Summer, winter, autumn, spring. In summer, the sun shines bright and we play in the sand and water. We build sandcastles, swim, and have delicious picnics with our families. We wear hats and sunglasses to protect ourselves from the sun. In winter, everything outside is covered with snow. We wear warm clothes, build snowmen, and have snowball fights. Some animals take long naps while we enjoy hot chocolate to stay cozy. In autumn, trees let go of their leaves and they fall like colourful raindrops. We have fun jumping into leaf piles and we watch squirrels busily collect acorns. The air feels cooler and it's a sign that winter is on its way. In spring, flowers wake up and make everything colourful. Bees buzz around and baby animals play outside, enjoying the warm sun. It's a happy time when everything feels new and full of fun. And that's our journey through the seasons, friends. Summer, winter, autumn, spring. They're all wonderful. Keep exploring, keep smiling, and keep enjoying the magic of nature. Goodbye and take care.